new decision made to release the names of crime victims to the public. The Florida Supreme Court ruled a state law meant to protect crime victims does not necessarily protect their names from public release. It's known as Marsy's law. Since 2018, law enforcement has used it to shield the names of officers involved in shootings under the premise that they are victims. In Jacksonville, the sheriff's office uses it to shield the names of crime victims who don't opt out. News4Jax reporter Ann Maxwell breaks down the local impact.
A ruling by the Florida Supreme Court finds Marsy's law, which entitles victims of crimes the right to prevent info from being released that could be used to locate or harass the victim or the victim's family, does not guarantee them, police officer or otherwise, the categorical right to withhold his or her name from disclosure. For A.J. Jordan, who works through his organization Mad Dads to try to get justice for murder victims,
we bridge the gap between police and community.
The ruling was a victory.
I think when you have a murder victim that's unknown, that's a John Doe, the perpetrator feels like nobody cares, nobody's looking.
Bobby Block of the Florida First Amendment Foundation says the ruling will remove a hindrance to accountability.
But I think that Marsy's law became the shield behind which many law enforcement departments hid to protect their personnel. And I'm not exactly sure what they were hiding their personnel from.
No harassment or...
Well, I mean, look, these are people acting in the line of duty.
The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office has taken action quickly. Here on their webpage dedicated to transparency in officer-involved shootings, they're now actually listing the names of the officers involved.
The Florida Supreme Court's order says information or records that could be used to locate or harass the victim or the victim's family do not encompass the victim's identity. Ann Maxwell, Channel 4, the local station.